Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you how you can allow desktop notifications in your workspace on Trello. For example, if you'd like to get notified of the latest activities in your workspace here in Trello. So drop a like and now let us get started. It is actually super simple. What you want to do, guys, is head over to Trello.com, log into your account, of course, and select your workspace in the top left corner. However, guys, if you'd like to apply these desktop notification settings to your entire account on Trello, all you need to do is click on your profile icon top right corner here and select settings from the drop down menu. And here inside your account settings, head over to this tab in the top left corner, settings. Here scroll a little bit further down till you get to your account settings, and below that you will see these email notifications. If you scroll further down, you will see that button here, allow desktop notifications. So if you'd like to allow these notifications, click on it. That is going to open up that window here on Google Chrome, for example, in which Google will, or Chrome will, ask you for permission to allow or to show notifications from Trello.com. So if you'd like to give that permission, click on allow here, or block these, for example, which I'm going to do now, if you'd like to block them. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. As you can see now, these notifications are not allowed. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.